In this video, I'm going to show you how to create slow-motion video in DaVinci Resolve 20 using a few simple methods, so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. Whether you want to slow down an entire clip or just stretch a specific section, this tutorial will make the process easy to follow. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials just like this. Let's start with the first method, which is the standard way to change clip speed. This is the best option when you want to slow down an entire clip to a specific percentage. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the timeline where your clip is already placed. Then, right-click on the clip that you want to slow down. From the menu, choose Change Clip Speed. A settings window will appear, and this is where you can control the playback speed. Look for the speed option and change it to a value lower than 100%. For example, if you set it to 50%, your clip will play at half speed. If you want even more dramatic slow motion, you can reduce it further, but keep in mind that the lower the speed, the longer the clip becomes. Now, there is one more option here that is very useful, especially if you want to keep your timeline organized. It is called Ripple Timeline. If you check this box, DaVinci Resolve will automatically move the clips after it out of the way, so there's enough space for the longer slow motion clip. This helps prevent overlaps and keeps your edit clean. Once you're happy with the settings, click Change to apply the speed adjustment. Now let's move on to the second method, which uses retime controls. This is the more visual method, and it's great if you want to manually stretch a clip on the timeline. First, select the clip you want to adjust. Then press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This will open the retime controls directly on the clip. With the retime controls visible, you can now adjust the clip more precisely. To slow it down, click the top edge of the clip and drag it to the right. As you stretch the clip, the footage plays back slower. This is a great option if you want to make timing changes by eye instead of typing in exact percentages. It gives you more flexibility while editing. If you want to slow down only a specific part of the clip, you can use speed points. To do this, click the drop-down arrow next to the percentage shown at the bottom of the clip, then choose Add Speed Point. This lets you split the clip into sections and slow down just one part while leaving the rest at normal speed. That is especially useful for action shots, dramatic moments, or cinematic edits where only a small section needs to be emphasized. A quick tip here, whenever you are working with slow motion, it helps to preview the clip after each change so you can make sure the pacing feels right. Sometimes a clip may need a little more or a little less slowing depending on the footage, so don't be afraid to fine-tune it until it looks smooth. So to recap, if you want a fast and simple way to slow down an entire clip, use Change Clip Speed. If you want a more visual and flexible workflow, use retime controls. And if you only want to slow down part of a clip, add a speed point and adjust that section only. These three methods give you a lot of control over slow motion editing in DaVinci Resolve 20. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.